Who can help you with cleaning? Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Are you fed up with having to clean on your own? Those home cleaning chores certainly look like something that should be a team effort, not a one-man job. Well, it is time to understand that no such task is ever meant for a lone person, especially if said person shares a place with others. Even if you live without a partner or other family members, you can still enlist others to help you out. There are several sources to look for help. Number 1. Friends of yours. Cleaning with friends is not a concept that should frighten you. For example, if you are on very good terms with a neighbor, you can invite them over for a cleaning round. Then, as you finish the job, you can return the favor. You can do this on the weekend when both of you have more free time. Or you can also plan it and make it a monthly arrangement. Doubling the workforce means inevitably doing any cleaning task faster. Not only that, but it also means you will have more fun, as cleaning with a friend is always more fun than cleaning alone. Number 2. Make children part of the solution. You know well that children typically contribute to quite the mess. In that sense, they represent a cleaning problem you need to solve. According to experts, you should switch things around and make them part of the solution. That is right. You can train the small ones to take care of simple chores. Giving your children age-appropriate tasks can teach them valuable skills and make them responsible adults. Number 3. Talk about chores with your partner. If there is another adult in the house, you best make sure you discuss cleaning matters. Don't ever expect others to do things, or expect them to do things a certain way. Don't let it become a hot-button problem and instead talk about who cleans what so that both of you are happy. Remember, kindness and mutual understanding are crucial to establishing healthy cleaning habits and a prerequisite for a happy home. Number 4. Create a task jar. Grab a large mason jar and fill it with slips of paper containing specific household tasks that seem to go unnoticed. Write down simple enough tasks that do not take a long time, such as tidy up the living room or dust the ceiling fan. Once a week, gather everyone and have them draw a household task. It is a great way to get others involved, all the while having fun. Number 5. Call for cleaners. If you are not a fan of dealing with cleaning or asking others to do it, then you can always resort to professionals. Companies offer regular domestic cleaning or one-off cleaning services that are of perfect help to any household. Getting professional help is still a great option in regards to cleaning. As you can see, you don't have to tackle cleaning all alone. You have plenty of options to enlist help. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite you to join our virtual online master classes to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean, a greener and healthier future.